Want to update WhatsApp on your Mac? In this video, I will show you 2 ways to do it. So, let's get started. If you have installed WhatsApp from the Mac App Store, click on the App Store icon in your dock or press Command Space to open Spotlight Search to find it. Go to the search bar at the top left corner of the App Store and look for WhatsApp. Now, check if the update is available. If you see an update button beside WhatsApp, click on it to start the update process. If you've downloaded WhatsApp directly from the official website, to check for updates on WhatsApp, you can open the app and select WhatsApp from the top menu bar. From there, you can choose Check for Updates to see if any updates are available for download. If an update is available, click on it to start the update process. Download and install the latest version of WhatsApp on your Mac. That's it. Once the installation is complete, you can launch the updated version of WhatsApp on your Mac and start using all the latest features and improvements. That's it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel for the latest tips and tricks videos.